Become a millionaire in 1 year. Imagine a life of luxury, of abundance. Imagine yourself sitting in Monaco, driving your Ferrari, overlooking your yacht with all of your family. If that's your goal, then you're at the right place. These habits that I'm going to share you today are going to help you achieve that. But before we get into that, please drop a like and subscribe. And yeah, let's get to the video. At number 1, we have morning routines. Morning routines are by far the best way to start off your day. If you start your morning good, your entire day will be good, meaning you'll make more money. A good morning routine should be about 30 minutes. During those 30 minutes, you should not touch your phone at all. So, wake up, go stretch, wash your face, chug some water, look at the sun, go in nature for a bit, do some calisthenics, do some push-ups, do some pull-ups, and so on and so on. Then come inside, take a cold shower and get to making money. Over the course of my 4-year entrepreneur journey, this is by far the most efficient strategy. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's productive. I've tried 4-hour morning routines, but they are just not worth it. At number 2, we have dieting. Another killer tip is having a good diet. These are the best foods you can eat and the worst foods to avoid. These are the foods that you should avoid the most. At number 1, we have processed sugar. Anything that's processed, remove it from your diet. It's not good for your brain. It destroys your brain calories and your brain function. It makes you slow, it makes you feel stupid, and you can't think of a sentence. Same goes with bread. Don't consume bread. It gives you lethargic reactions and it makes you feel slow and weak. Have you ever stuffed yourself so much that you feel like laying down? That's not normal, guys. Or when you wake up from bed at 6 a.m., you go outside and by 7 a.m. you want to go on your couch and lay down? That's not normal. That's because of the food you eat, the food you intake. That's all for dieting. Let's go to number 3. At number 3, we have fasting. This is something that I highly recommend for every single person to do. Fasting has been proven to heal every single illness on this planet. It helps you regenerate brain cells, it helps you be more productive, and it keeps you in a state of warrior. When you don't eat any food, you literally become meta-human. You literally become more strong, more wise, and more advanced. This is why I highly recommend you to skip your breakfast. Because you're an animal. Your body is meant to starve and it's more productive that way. Always eat less and less. Let's say you can eat a full meal at 2 p.m. and that's about it. Also, a killer tip for fasting is doing a 16-hour fast, an 18-hour fast, a 24-hour fast, a 36-hour fast, and so on and so on. For example, I eat my foods from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. over the course of the entire day. Anything besides those hours, I do not consume. It makes me feel happy, energized, strong, productive, and yeah, that's it. At number 4, we have deep works. Deep works are time periods that you go and you work without distractions, only pure focus. You're 100% focused on your work. No distractions, no nothing. This is the best way that you can get all your work done and to generate a lot of money fast and efficiently. There's no point in working 17-hour days if you just do 3 hours of deep work. It's the same. It's much better to do sections of 3-hour deep works than work 17 hours straight. You'll do the same amount of work. I do about 5 to 6 deep work hours a day and also 5 to 6 normal hours that I'm not 100% focused. When I'm doing my 5 to 6 deep work hours, I focus on the important tasks, and the rest of the 5-6 hours I focus on tasks that I can do without 100% of my brain cells, like replying to people, sending voice notes, writing something, and etc. and more. At number 5, we have something that took me 4 years to maintain and to manage. Quality over quantity. There's no point in me posting a video every single day if they are not edited well and if they're not profound and perfected in every aspect. You need to focus on quality. People will see that you put in quality and they'll pay you way more than you put in. That's why I was posting 3 videos a week. Now I'm posting 2. Why? Because I'm going to keep the quality at the top and not the quantity at the top. Remember that, stick to that and do it. Everything needs to be done fast but with quality. If it's done on quantity, then it's not good and you should rethink it. At number 6, we have something controversial. Reading. Yeah, You're not going to get rich from reading, but do you know what will happen? You will sound more smarter and you will be way clearer when you talk. Your thought will be easier to get to the other people's heads. Books are merely entertainment. If you talk more clearly though, you're going to get more clients inside of your SMA or your other businesses. So, at the end of the day, reading is worth it. Besides, don't scroll on TikTok, don't scroll on Twitter, go read a book. At number 7, we have visions. Every night, before you go to bed, think of the future. Think of the car you'll be driving. Think of the house you'll live in. Think of your family. Think 10 years in advance. Picture what you're going to make your money from. Picture your vision. Picture money coming into your accounts. Think of the money your business is going to generate in those 10 years. And that's a very good way to stay motivated and to see your end goal. Before I continue, please drop a like and subscribe. I'm doing these videos just for you. At number 8, we have working out. A strong body is a strong soul. Well, why do I need to work out? Health is wealth. There's no point in you being 50 and your body being 80. That's not a good life. If you don't work out, you'll be weak and you'll die much easier. And also, your social presence won't be good. Nobody would like to be around a weak person. Your image is really important in business. Let's imagine 2 programmers, 2 software engineers, anything. One of them, both are 200 pounds. One is fat and one is fit. Who would you let working for you? The fat one that has greasy fingers, or the one that has a six-pack and is built like Hercules? Please answer that in the comments. That's all I have to say about working out. At number 9, the last one, we have a phone addiction. If you want to be rich, you need to get a phone addiction. Why? Because your phone can generate you money. So, get all the apps that can generate you money, let's say Instagram, TikTok and whatnot else, and put them on your main screen. Now, for 4 hours a day, click on them and don't leave until you find a way to make money. This is a very, very, very good way to make money in 2023, because the ideas will come to your head. You just need to realize them and to make them. That's the real way to make money in 2023. And like I said, this is the end of the video.